everyone! Today, we're tackling a super useful topic: how to automatically configure Wi-Fi settings for all your Android devices using Microsoft Intune. This means no more manually setting up Wi-Fi on each phone or tablet. Your devices will connect securely and seamlessly, saving you a lot of time and ensuring consistency across your organization. It's a great way to streamline device management and enhance security. Let's dive right in and see how simple it is to set up this policy. First, you will need to log into your Microsoft Intune Admin Center. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Devices section on the left-hand menu. From there, select Configuration Profiles. This is where we create and manage all our device settings. Now, click on the Create Profile button to start a new policy. For the platform, choose Android Enterprise. Then, for the profile type, select Wi-Fi. This tells Intune we want to set up a Wi-Fi network. Click Create to proceed to the next step. On the Basics tab, give your policy a meaningful name, something like Office Wi-Fi for Android. You can also add a description to explain what this policy does, for example, configure secure Wi-Fi for all managed Android devices. This helps you identify the policy later. Now, move on to the Configuration Settings tab. This is where we define the Wi-Fi network details. For network type, select Enterprise. This is for secure, corporate Wi-Fi networks. Enter the SSID, which is the actual name of your Wi-Fi network, like your company_Wi-Fi. Make sure it's spelled correctly. Next, choose the security type. For most secure enterprise networks, you will select WPA/WPA2 Enterprise. This provides robust encryption and authentication. Then, you will need to configure the EAP type. A common choice here is PAP, or Protected Extensible Authentication Protocol. This is a secure method for authentication. For Phase 2 authentication, select MSCHAPV2. This is often used with PAP to verify user credentials. If your network uses a root certificate for server trust, you will need to select it here. This ensures devices only connect to trusted servers. Enter the server name or FQDN of your authentication server, for example, radius.yourcompany.com. This helps devices verify the server identity. For the authentication method, choose username and password. This is typical for users to log into the Wi-Fi. You can also specify proxy settings if your organization uses a proxy server for internet access. Choose None, Manual, or Automatic Proxy Config as needed. Ensure all these details match your organization's Wi-Fi network settings. Once all the Wi-Fi settings are configured correctly, click Next. On the Assignments tab, you will decide which users or devices receive this policy. You can assign it to all users, all devices, or specific groups. For example, you might assign it to a group called Android users. This ensures only the intended devices get the Wi-Fi configuration. After selecting your assignments, click Next. Finally, on the Review plus Create tab, carefully review all the settings you have entered. Make sure everything looks correct. If you are satisfied, click Create. Intune will then deploy this Wi-Fi configuration policy to your assigned Android devices. These devices will automatically receive the settings and connect to your Wi-Fi network without any manual intervention from the user, making device setup much easier and more secure. And that's it! You have successfully created a Wi-Fi configuration policy for your Android devices in Microsoft Intune. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future topics. Sharing this video with your colleagues or friends who might benefit would be greatly appreciated. And if you want to support the channel and see more helpful content like this, please consider subscribing. Your support helps us create more valuable videos for you. See you next time.